You're wondering why am I in this wonderful corporate look and also like a serious studio student wearing specs as well, because I am going to represent myself and I am going to interview. The only difference here is I will not be giving an interview, I'll be taking an interview, I'll be making people speak on this video. So what is this video all about? We are in front of the placement cell at Presidency University, and this placement cell is so important because it actually makes every student's dream come true, right? Every student's dream is what? After the moment they finish their studies, they'll have to get placed in a very good company. And how does placement happen? How do they get placed? And who's that one big company who's hired close to 191 students from Presidency University in this academic year? So we will all be covering that in this video. So let's get inside and see what is that company, who is that wonderful company who's given such an opportunity for all our students from Presidency University into the placement cell. Please come along. For a company which is more than 50 years old, set up in Europe, actually based out of Europe, and having 1,25,000 plus employees in India, and they are present in more than 50 countries across the globe. And yes, I am talking about Capgemini. Yeah, that is the company which has hired more than 190 plus students out of our own Presidency University. And the man behind it is with me, Dr. B.V. Prabhu sir is with me, who's the Associate Director of Career Services and Industry Connect. Sir, wonderful talking to you first up, and I am so happy that 191 students of Presidency University are placed in Capgemini. How happy you are feeling, sir?
I am feeling really great. We began our journey last year with the Capgemini.
Okay.
And last year it was a first time experience.
Okay.
And we placed 62 students. With the 62 students, our expectations were something more this time.
Okay.
Then we were planning how to make the more students placed.
Right.
We planned very well.
Right.
We executed very well.
Right.
And then came the numbers 191 students.
So just talking about Capgemini again, how was the road ahead? Because you've been here in Presidency University from 2016 and looking after the placement cell under you. And how was the road ahead in terms of convincing Capgemini to hire our students and give them the package what they've got?
See, like first time, both sides are having the first time experience.
Okay.
We have started the journey there,
Right.
and then our students did the internship in January this year. That is January to April. They did the internship. Company was happy. The way we supported, we changed the curriculum, program structure, made into elective, the classroom electives into open electives.
And then depending upon the National Education Policy 2021, which is also NEP 2020, that has also really helped us a lot in changing the curriculum. That also is a very, very good support that has been got. But tell us about the support that you've been getting from your team, from the placement team, because you have I think 4 or 5 people again reporting under you. If you can please mention about them, that will also be really helpful for us.
We have totally 8 members in the team, and 2 members are taking care of the School of Management and Commerce, whereas we have 4 members dedicated for engineering. And because Capgemini placement is engineering, I'll get into the details. I have the senior member, Atanu Datta, who is also in charge of the placement operation of Capgemini. Then comes the Mohammad Asif. He is also senior manager. Then Satyanarayana, who is a senior executive, and Elil, who is the manager. Like this, we have 4 managers who are working day and night. And they are connecting with the companies. They are discussing with the companies and bringing the company for placement process.
Fantastic. So we are really thanking Capgemini from Presidency University, and sir, your thankful words to Capgemini, if that will be coming from you, it will be again really it will be a nice bonding that the company will have with our university.
Yes, Now we are taking the processes further, and unlike last time, this time we are more prepared. We gave better training to the students. We had aptitude training, coding training. Apart from that, for the company Capgemini itself, we provided the technical training. And apart from that, once the students got shortlisted for the interview, we gave the training on interview also, interview skills.
Fantastic.
That made us to get the number of 191.
100%. And we will also be talking to Mr. Atanu Datta in terms of the execution process and in terms of how the students got prepared, and we'll also be talking to the students in terms of how they were ready for this interview. Sir, but just to ask you one thing, because that first salary becomes so important to everybody. You'll have to now tell me, what did you do with your first salary?
I was just going back to 94. First salary, at that time it was not a big salary. Then I had my nephew, young kid, some toys and building blocks I purchased for him.
So sweet. So sweet. What did you do? What did you purchase for yourself?
Probably nothing.
But from nothing, he is the man making kids buy something in their life and getting their first salary up. So wonderful talking to you. And we will just now move on to Mr. Atanu Datta, who is also under Sir, managed a lot of execution process for this placement. So we will talk to him now. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Now we are with the Senior Manager of Corporate Relations and Placement, Mr. Atanu Datta, and kids nowadays have started to call him Dada because they have been so happy that they have been placed in one of the best companies in the world. And we have Mr. Atanu Datta. Kemon acho, Dada?
Bhalo.
And really, I'm your bolo, but all the kids calling you, probably you become their Dada also as a big brother because you've been helping them get their first placement and first salary in terms of CS and allied CS students are getting placed, and they have got placed in Capgemini. Wonderful number, Dada, 191 kids. What do you think?
It's all started, with a small, initiative at our end. But now it has become really big. Honestly speaking, it has crossed our expectations from the students. All the credit goes to the students. They have worked really hard. It all started with a webinar from Capgemini HR. And students got less than 24 hours time to register and attend it. But they participated in huge number. They broke all the records of participation in state of Karnataka. In the webinar itself, the HR told all the students and to me as well that this is the largest gathering in any webinar conducted by Capgemini in the state of Karnataka. So that set the tone. So we were feeling the positive vibes among the students. And then step by step we move ahead. Students have responded very nicely. Whatever instructions and whatever information we were sharing, they were responding. They were asking queries, questions. We were clarifying the doubts. The departmental faculty placement representatives helped us a lot during the process because faculties are in between the placement department and the students who are more directly in touch with the students. So it's a team effort. I got a lot of support from my leadership and management, and finally it got a very well shaped before the recruitment drive only, and all were eagerly waiting to know what is happening in Capgemini. The entire university was focused because day one matters a lot. How we start the session, this season of placement, that matters. So hats off to the students because at the end of the day, they have to perform. and they performed.
And I am so happy to talk to you because you're so excited as if you've got placed into Capgemini. That is the kind of happiness that I am seeing in your eyes. It is so happy to see that, Dada.
Yes, see, we feel happy if the students are happy, because at the end of the day, whatever work the placement department and the academic departments are doing, we are doing it for the students. So when they get the success, we feel happy because their success is our success.
So how many, how are you feeling now? I should ask, how many kgs of Rasgulla you have eaten? What is the feel? Is that the feel? How many kgs of Rasgulla?
We'll take it as a lesson. They have set the new benchmark at Presidency University. So now we are more energetic because of our students, and we want to build, better tomorrow based on this benchmark performance.
So you're not taking this as a celebration itself. You're taking this as just a beginning and a lesson.
It's a fantastic beginning, and we need to move ahead and move up the ladder.
Wow, so sweet. No, because look at this. I was thinking that you're taking this as a celebration, and I was about to ask you for Rasgullas, but you are saying this is a beginning and just a first step. We have just kept inside the industry 4.0 kind of a future that we are stepping into, right?
Sure. Definitely. I'm looking forward to it, and I want my students to join Capgemini and make us really proud with their performance.
So sweet. One sweet words to Capgemini as well from your side. That'll be really nice.
Yes, I would like to thank the entire team of Capgemini, the HR, the entire team, the way they have responded throughout the process. They were really supportive throughout the process in coordination. Every time, even at midnight, I have disturbed them and they have responded. So fantastic effort from the HR, because it's, as I said, a lot of parties are involved. On one side, the company, at one side, we are there, students are there, departments are there. So all of us put together, all the efforts, this is the result of a collective effort. Fantastic. So thanks to Capgemini HR team.
Exactly, and really now this is a time that we'll be talking to the students as well and asking their feel of what they are feeling and how happy they are. And I hope even in future every student gets people like Dr. B.V. Prabhu sir and Dr. Atanu Datta Dada to help them get placed in very big companies. Thank you, Dada. Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you. Thank you.
It's been many years that I got my salary. I mean to say my first salary. Okay. So I got my first salary and I brought a mobile number with it. I got a SIM card, and that mobile number is still the same number that I currently use. So that is how the first salary is so important in our lives as students. And we already have a wonderful setup here that gives them a mock feel of the office that they are working in, and they have been placed here. These are the few students that we could gather along to make them speak for us about their experience and getting placed in Capgemini. Hi, what's your name?
Shubhayu.
Shubhayu, are you really happy that you could probably now start jumping around if I let you to jump?
Yeah, most definitely. I mean, I never expected to, crack senior analyst. It was my first interview after all. All right.
Right. Okay.
So, I mean, I never expected to crack my first interview in, this manner.
Okay.
And since I have now, I don't know what to expect next.
So sweet. So, but take us through the process of the preparation. What happened, and that online, kind of auditions, should I say? How was it?
Yeah, so essentially we had this first round where we had to, there was a pseudocode round. So they gave us a bit of code and we're supposed to find out the output and all that. The thing is, in the first test, I spent a lot of time on one question. And that's when I got really worried because there was extremely less time left and there were so many questions to solve. So what I did was, I just did my best, and I didn't really expect, to clear it in that manner. But then all of a sudden, 2 days or 3 days later, I just get this mail which says that you've cracked it and you can go for the coding interview now. And I was like, wow. So
fantastic. How did parents react at home?
My parents were they were overjoyed. Right. To them, they'd be happy with anything. They'd be happy with no matter how what I'd get. But I'd cracked it, and so my dad was elated.
Wow,
my mom
fantastic.
was.
If you can just mention their names, and that'll give them a good memory.
Yeah, sure. So my dad's name is Subhashish Bhattacharjee, and my mom is Mama Bhattacharjee. She's a dance teacher.
Oh, there you go. Fantastic. So now you are getting placed into one of the best companies of the world, Capgemini. And what are you looking forward to on your first day of work or on your first salary? What are you looking forward to?
Well, my well, actually, in my first salary, I wanted to buy this game console. So I think I'll probably be doing that now. But besides that, of course, I want to learn and I want to work on a few different projects. And there's this dream that I had, to work in the IT field and work on big projects that could, change a lot of things. And I really want to do that now. And I think it's possible since I've gotten placed.
Fantastic. I love that. I love that professionalism. I love that confidence that you've been speaking to. Hi, and I will probably even talk to you as well. What's your name? And just let us know how happy you are getting placed in Capgemini.
My name is Shravan Shivdas, and as everyone knows, we are very happy to be at Capgemini.
No, everyone doesn't know. We need to know from you.
Capgemini is such a wonderful company, and it's like the top 7 company in the world, and we get a chance to be a part of it. And that's something which was unreal to me when I got to know I got in. We had a lot of tension because first attempt and first interview, didn't want to lose the chance, and was so happy, almost cried at the moment.
Oh, so sweet, so sweet. No, just let us a secret out. How should one, like for example, if I have to get into Capgemini and I'm a student, what should I do? How should I prepare myself?
Take it one at a time, because I didn't expect to clear the first round starting. Then we had to study overnight and all. And coding round, that it was code debugging kind of. So it was kind of okay, because I could finish the first 10 questions faster. Okay. Then I just went with the flow. And English, I wasn't scared of it because I was sure I will crack it. Right. And then it was a gaming round. That one was a very tricky round. Okay. So we didn't expect it to have so many different roles, because the first round, what we practiced was, it had just 2 forms of the gaming round. Okay. But later on it had 4 different rounds in it. Right. And it was really confusing, but it's cleared. And then we are in, me and my friend was also in, so we were thinking, will we get into the next round or not? And then it came to the coding round. And coding round, we had to practice a lot. We came to college, we were practicing with the help of a website. Right. They gave like 100 questions and we are practicing from there. It was good, it helped me think, and coding went on like that. And after that, placement interview. Fantastic. Technical interview was first time I'm going to face an interview, and I was like full tension, and my name was in the first one. Oh. And it was kind of very bad time actually, because I'm ready already at 9:30. Okay. And interview is yet to come. Okay. So the tension is increasing by every minute. And later on he came, he was like, you look tensed, relax, and that made me feel comfortable. Okay. And then he actually helped, because if he didn't tell that, I would be still tensed. Yes. And after that, it went with the flow. He asked me questions, right. Answer it. Just, it was good to know about the company, talking to him. And then after one day, college sends a mail, and I was still in college at that time. Right. I was in library sitting and preparing for the next one. Right. Then I get to know that I'm in. I was like almost crying. Yeah.
See, the moment you mentioned college, the sunlight actually opened up, right? There's a lot of brightness also there. So tell us about what is the support that Presence University gave you in terms of preparing with all this?
They gave, from starting they were with us, because they helped us in the pseudocode and all. They were teaching for a week, so that helped a lot, because they gave from where to study, and just followed it. And after that, for coding, they couldn't do much, because we only have to know the coding. So coding we had to practice. Then for the interview, they did training for a couple of days, where faculty Himanshu sir and all trained us. He told us what to do. He was like, you have to talk like this. If you don't know, you talk this. So without their help, I don't think we would have cleared it by now.
So sweet. And please mention about your parents' joy and their names, and how happy back home they are. How what's happening there?
They are also very happy, because getting into such a company. My father's name is Shivdas, and my mother's name is Shailija Shivdas. And I have a sister, Megha, And my father is doing business, mother is housewife, sister is trying to get into bank. So
Macha, your interview is over. You've already been placed in Capgemini. Why are you telling me? Tell about you. Tell about something about you. No, that's the first question, right? That's the first.
so preparing for that, just the same flow.
You're talking to me also like that.
Of course.
No, it's really happy, and we will be moving on again to one of our other student here as well. Hi, what's your name? And we have students from CS and applied CS as well. So tell us from which stream you are in, Srinivas. Yeah.
I'm from CSC branch itself.
Right.
Yeah.
And how was the road to the getting into Capgemini? How was that?
And the road was very smooth because we had much training from Presidency University itself, so it was very smooth and it was easy for us.
Right. And please tell us what will you be doing with your first salary? Be honest with this.
I think I'll buy something for my parents and that's it.
So sweet. So sweet. Tell us their names.
Shivsankar and Gunavati.
Okay, fantastic. And tell us a secret of how other kids and other students who want to get placed in different companies should follow. What should they do? From which semester they should start preparing?
I think from the fourth semester itself, it is very crucial for placement training. So from the fourth sem itself, it is enough for them to prepare and all.
So sweet, fantastic. And we will be moving to the girl power here, and she's also been placed in Capgemini. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Bindushri and I am from Computer Engineering and Data Science Department.
Right. So Bindu, with all these experience along, your first interview, how wet were your hands with nervousness?
So my interview started at 3 and I was waiting from 11:30 for my this thing, and I had not even had my lunch. And my interviews was so sweet. He asked me at the first question was, did you have your lunch? And I said, no sir. And he's like, why it's so late? Where are you? He asked all that and he was very chill about it. He completed it in 10 minutes. It was very smooth.
Wow, so sweet. See, that is why we are thanking Capgemini for this, because they're making our students feel comfortable, and they're making feel that this is not their first interview, making them nervous, and you will, if you are not nervous, you will do their best. You will do your best. That's what it is. So tell us about the training sessions that Presidency University provided you with.
So for the technical rounds, for the pseudocode, English, everything, the face prep gave us training, and it was really very helpful because for Capgemini, there's not a lot of materials available online. I searched, I didn't get. So I had to fully rely on what college provided us. And for the interview also, the soft skill trainer really helped us. He told us how we have to improve our training, how we have to speak to them, and it was very helpful.
Fantastic. Your parents' name and what will you do with your first salary? Be very honest. I know there's a lot of dresses lined up. I know there's a lot of earrings, bangles, anything on those lines, or what is it?
So my father name is Srinivas, my mother is Manjula, and I am not really interested in anything of that sort. I really want to give something for my parents. I'm not sure what, but because they have helped me come till here, I want to give my first salary to them.
Tell me how many years it has been that your dad has got a new mobile phone?
Oh, it's been 5 years.
So it's time, right?
It's still Nokia model which is using, so it's time really.
Yeah. So I just gave you a small hint on what you can probably plan for a surprise.
Yeah.
Right. Let's see what Bindu does with her first salary, and also it's such a happy moment to speak to every one of them here, because I feel so so overwhelmed with them getting placed in Capgemini. It's wonderful to speak to you guys. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Sumukh Ayas.
Okay, Sumukh, how was the process? How was it? Please take us through your experience of the first interview that you faced.
The process was really smooth. We started preparing since the August when the placement was announced, and the first round was the pseudocodes. For that, the college provided us the training, which was really helpful. And for the coding round, we've been practicing it from the second year also, so it was really useful. And for the interview, we only had 2 days of time, so we had to cut off from our sleep and we had to study for it.
Now you can sleep in the best of the ACs possible, huh? That's just because you left off 2 days of your life to sleep. Now you can sleep with peacefulness. And what did parents say?
I was not really confident that I would be selected, but my parents were more confident than me, so they were really happy about it.
Tell us their names.
My father is Satyanarayana and my mother is Vinuta.
So So sweet, so sweet. No, see, that is what his parents love is, you know, when he is under confidence, they have boosted the confidence inside him. And we also have one of the other studious person here who's, I think, the only person, or rather the second person wearing the specs. No, the only person wearing specs here. Okay, so it becomes my responsibility also to wear my specs and talk to him. Yeah. You look very studious. What's your name?
Sir, my name is Vivek Sundar.
Yes, Vivek. So how was the process? How was it? And you know, just take us through all your experience.
I would say that they were preparing me from the third sem.
Oh,
They were preparing me for getting placed from third sem.
Okay.
Every lecture was nice from CSC. And I think face prep and Himanshu sir helped us a lot.
Right,
Yeah, they trained us how to do pseudocode and how to be in HR round.
Oh, there we
I
go. So do you remember the HR's name from Capgemini that you interviewed you?
Yes, sir. Sharma, I guess.
Oh, okay. So how was what?
Ashish Sharma.
Oh, there we go. So he is the man who's giving you and making sure that you get your first salary. How was it? How was your first thing? Because were you nervous? What was the first question that was asked to you?
He asked my intro, so I told him my intro, and then he was like, he asked me 5 technical questions, and I told them all, and that was it. I was waiting for the mail.
Waiting for the mail. And just before that, I've been told that there was a 4 rounds of online selection that happened. Yeah, tell us about that.
The first one was pseudocode. Yeah, we have to debug the code and write the output. And the second one was English, which it was easy. And the last one was game aptitude. And the last one was behavioral.
Okay.
We have to tell scenarios, which option you choose in that scenario.
Okay.
And that was it.
Right. See, look at the confidence that he's speaking with. He's like, right, when is my first salary coming up? Right? That's how it is. Are you happy? Are you happy with this? And how parents are? Just tell us about them and about their name and what did they react as?
They were so happy, sir. My father's name is Shyam Sundar. He's an advocate, and my mother is homemaker, Lalita.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you keep arguing at home, I heard, always with your dad, because he is an advocate and he want to argue something with you, right?
We usually argue.
That's so nice. That's so nice. But what are you planning for your first salary?
I would buy a phone for my mother. That's it.
There you go. So sweet, so sweet. So thank you so much, guys, for letting your knowledge pass on to other students who are watching this video. Of course, it will be a very, very good learning curve for them. And according to every one of us, do we all believe that it has to be, the preparation has to start from the 4th sem, or from where?
Well, I would say start preparing as soon as possible. So you will be relieved at last.
There you go. So different people, preparation, different modes, but always be prepared. That's what we are trying to say, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So be prepared for everything, and life can give you a lot of surprises. Thank you so much. Happy that you spared your time from Capgemini to talk to us, because now we are all Capgemini employees, isn't it? Yeah. Can we all clap for ourselves? This is a wonderful opportunity that we have got, and out of the only few are here, our 191 students are also coming along with you guys to Capgemini, and you guys are in terms representing them, representing them as well. So thank you so much, and congrats for your future endeavors. Thank you.